how to get story mode on TikTok. To get started, first of all, open up the App Store on your phone. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the search icon. Here, you can browse and search for games, apps, stories, and more. Now, go to the search bar and search for TikTok. Once you are here, tap on Open to open up the application. You are now in the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the plus icon in the middle. This is the TikTok camera screen. Now, tap on the capture button to take a photo. Then, edit the photo as you like using the edit options on the right side of the screen. After that, tap on your story at the bottom. You have now successfully posted this photo to your TikTok story. Tap on your story at the top left corner to view it. Following these steps, you can easily get story mode on TikTok.